Hi everyone. I did not want to make this video. I've been putting it off. Miss Abby went to heaven, and she went the 9th, and I'm a mess, and my family is a mess, and Finn is a mess. The reason I'm sharing is because I've shared her pretty much daily, always talking about her and Finn, and I think that most of you have been here for a long time. You know how much I love her. She was my sunshine. But anyway, so this is my keychain, and one of you had sent me this. You would purchase something from me from Etsy. You got my address, and you sent me this. And it has stayed on my keychain ever since. This is her collar, and I will be using her little name tag on my project. What I'll be making, I wasn't sure if I wanted to make a big tree. I don't know that I'm up to it, but I need to make something for the family that we'll always have. I will be using this little paw print. I'm not sure if I want to do it in 4-inch hoops or 5. I'm kind of leaning towards the 5. The method that I'll be using, I will share with you. Not the same kind of tutorial I've been doing all along. This is more for me. When we took her to the vet, this poor little Finn, he wants to go out. Hold on. So Abby got really, really sick Sunday, and it started actually Saturday. She wasn't really her normal self, and she would just sit and look at her food and not eat it. However, she was drinking a lot of water, and she was well hydrated. She had not had a bowel movement in a couple of days, but that was not unusual for her. That was her. She's always had an issue with that and was on medication for that. And she did die of a severe bowel obstruction. It got to the point on Sunday that even to pat her, she growled and cried. And she slept up on the bed with me, on my pajamas. And first thing, Monday, at 11:20, we took her to the vet. And we said our goodbyes. Myself, my daughter-in-law, my son, and my husband. And we stayed with her until the very end. They gave her something, a sedative, to calm her down. And if this is too much information, just shut it off. But I have to say it because it'll help me to make this tree that I need to make. And maybe it'll help you. But anyway, after they sedated her, they shaped her little paw and put in a little lock, a little line, and the last injection, she just went to sleep. She put her little head up underneath my arm and she fell asleep. She didn't wake up. They did have to shave her, and they gave us this. This has her fur. We did not decide to cremate her because, well, first of all, we did have a cat that was cremated, and it's not always about money, but right now it was. In order to have treated her, it would have cost thousands of dollars, and she's old and she had enough. It's not an issue that you can rectify. But we're waiting now. They took her paw prints and they will send us something special. Now, my oldest son, his cat, Gato, was cremated. And for years, he could not even take her ashes. My youngest son got a beautiful urn for Gato, and eventually he said he was ready. I can't look at her ashes. I would rather look at a tree of life and celebrate her for all the joy that she's given us. And you. You know her. I've shared with you videos. And if you care to go into my playlist, you'll find, I actually put something up in the community. You'll find that if you go to the homepage. Just check out her little videos. Her life meant that much to me and my family. And Finn is now, he's been here for 5 years, and she hated his guts. And when he knew she was violently ill. And he saw us take her in the crate, and he cried. He knew. She was vomiting and crying, and he was outside the door trying to come in. He's a good boy. Anyway, I happened to be moving things around, and he's trying to get in my closet. He heard her bell, so I showed him the collar, and he took it, snatched it, and went up on the bed and laid in the nest that she laid in. I do have a tutorial a little in the playlist of him and her, where he slapped her in the face. Well, she returned the favor last week. But anyway, I am going to close it here because I can't cry anymore right now. But I'm going to make the most beautiful Four Seasons because she sat in that window. Check out the playlist of Abby and Finn. The Four Seasons, they chopped all those trees down. But I'm going to make each season with something beautiful in her memory. And I will be doing that, and I will be recording it. And I'll share it with you. And I'll talk to you soon.